Okay, I'm here at the Norton Abrasive booth. I've got Brad Heraghty and Sheramy Jonsson. First, what's new here at Norton?
Well, our biggest news is that after 37 years with Norton Abrasives, Kurt Johannes retired. We gave him a great send-off at the AIWD at the Trump Doral in Florida.
Nice, yeah, congratulations, Kurt.
Yeah, a lot of tribal knowledge, a lot of relationships, and we'll miss him. Happy for him, and wish him the next best of luck in his next chapter.
Very good. And for you specifically, Brad, what is your main role here at GAWDA and for Norton?
Yep. I've been with the company 15 years, and I've been the national account manager that covers IWDC for almost 4 years now.
Nice. And how about you, Sheramy? Talk about your history and what your role is.
I have been with Norton for about 3 years now. Brad and I are part of the same national accounts team, and my role specifically with GAWDA is I handle MDG and AIWD, and then I'm also part of the membership committee.
Nice. Talk about anything new that has come on the horizon that distributors here at GAWDA should know about.
Yeah, I think the big thing for us is it's twofold. Our sales force is our strength as always, right? So we've got 150 plus dedicated direct sales reps and a handful of rep agencies out there. So we pride ourselves on being available and accessible and supporting all the members and distributors out there. We do have a new product here. It's our Razor Star disc we've been working on for quite some time. Not to go too boring with technical, but it's an engineered ceramic grain. Big play in shipyards, metal fabrication, energy, oil and gas, any coarse grit, rough grinding. This product's been doing very well, so we're excited to see it grow and hopefully help our distributors. So.
Nice. And aside from just the products that you guys offer, talk about some of the support and value that you bring to the table.
Well, Norton has been around for over, 300 years now, Brad?
Saint-Gobain, but over 125 for Norton specifically, but yeah.
Nice.
So, and just like Brad said, we've got 150 dedicated salespeople across the nation. We're proud to say that most of our products are made in America, and we're very happy to be part of the Norton team and part of GAWDA.
There you go. Quick update here from the Norton guys. Appreciate everything that you do for us at GAWDA Media and for GAWDA as a whole. It's always great to see you guys at the event. And congratulations, Kurt. Enjoy your retirement.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.